The Mojo60 Ember mechanical keyboard by MelGeek. This is the giveaway I've been looking to do for an entire year. Between COVID shipping and MelGeek production delays, more delays, moving, oh yeah, I moved, and getting distracted with new toys, which by the way, thanks to this new toy, the background music is now all self-produced, aside from the ending song, that will always be. Some other new toys are these new peripherals. As I spend an obnoxious amount of time in front of my computer, it is nice to switch up how I interact with it. This touchpad is super nice for browsing and day-to-day interaction. Swiping from different windows and zooming using multi-touch has been a real joy. The build is solid aluminum, and it's an affordable way to expand my options while avoiding carpal tunnel from using the mouse too much. While looking for options, I also picked up this touchpad stylus combo, perfect for whiteboarding and working with my ideas. Both are under $50. I'll put a link in the description so you can get one for yourself. So this is a 60%, so you have your up-down keys on the WASD while holding down the meta key. They've labeled this code. I love that. Between the meta key and the FN key, you can get access to all the layer 2 functionality, F keys, page up, down, etc. Bluetooth pairing is really easy. They've included light indicators to let you know when you're pairing. Basically, each number on your number row can be paired to a Bluetooth device, which is pretty insane, and you can switch between each one really quickly by pressing FN and the number you paired the device to. This makes it super easy for me to switch between my computer and my phone or between phones to type. It feels well thought out in terms of, the user experience. They could have just slapped these features on here and called it a day. Oh, and gaming wirelessly is no issue here. If you have a Bluetooth on your PC that is 5.0 and above, latency is really not a problem. I'll repeat, gaming wirelessly is not an issue anymore. Feel free to change my mind in the comments. If you're a pro, maybe. First thing I did was swap out the yellow Gatorons that it came with. You get a choice when ordering. I went linear because honestly, I've been missing linear switches lately. I found them to be way too light with these SA caps, and in general didn't like the yellows. Go red. If you're trying to choose between yellows and reds, go red. They just feel slightly higher in quality. I did end up going linear on this keyboard for a little bit, on some interesting linears I bought from the Key Company when Kiwis sold out. I like them a lot though, but it wasn't enough. These SA key caps deserve a heavy, tactile, and loud as poop box jades. The shape of the body makes it perfect for thocks and amplified clicks. I literally got a noise complaint from this combo. For a quick comparison, SA caps are larger and more contoured and very expensive. These have an extra layer for the legend, and you can see my standard gray MX cap where the legend is fading. These SA caps will last a long time. While swapping this out, you start to see where they cut corners. The back plate is flimsy, showing lots of flex. The stabilizers weren't lubed. The screw holes may not have been perfectly machined, as you can screw some of them too far, which will bend the backplate. They also don't hold the backplate in place very well. The case is plastic and flimsy. Basically, you get a lot of plastic. The highest quality part here are the keycaps and maybe the PCB. The PCB was initially not programmable, but I see now they released some companion software to customize your macros. It's great to see the extent that them extend the experience for existing customers. Quality aside, this board is not a bad deal at all. And I would argue is a great starter keyboard for someone who wants to get into customizing and maintaining a mechanical keyboard. It's feature packed and you get great keycaps. The body can be upgraded to aluminum from the MelGeek site. You can take a stab at lubing your stabs and even replace the backplate. Whoever wins this has a great fixer-upper. This has potential to be a bangin' keyboard. Enter the giveaway by leaving me a comment. Change my mind about Bluetooth or let me know how you plan to upgrade this board. Peace.